Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog, and for this video guys we are going to cook beef chow pan. But before we start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like and share. Also do not forget to smash the notification button to get notified for my next video. Alright, for start, we are browning the meat, our ground beef. Make sure it's really browned and cooked. And we added the onion, sliced onion, and garlic while browning the meat. We are going to cook until the onion turns translucent. And next we are adding our diced cabbage and carrots, and we are going to cook it until it's softened. And also right away we are adding our rice. You have white rice, it's okay. I have mixed white and pink or red rice. 3 cups. And we are going to mix it together. And don't forget to add our black pepper, ground black pepper or pamintang durog. Ayan. And then the next is our oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Yan lang ang sauce na gagamitin natin. Ayan. And when you eat, you can always add soy sauce on plate. And then mix hanggang maluto. At ito na siya guys. Luto na ang ating beef chow pan. Ayan. So ipi-plate lang natin. So I hope you like this video guys, and if you do, give it a thumbs up and share and subscribe. Might get to smash the notification button to get notified for my next video. And enjoy eating. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Take care. And for our garnish, here we go, our chopped green onions. Enjoy. Bye bye.